How does lens maintain its transparency? This is frequently asked question in many university exams. Before understanding the process of cataractogenesis, it is very important to know what are the factors responsible for transparency of the lens. So in this video, we will see anatomical and physiological factors responsible for the transparency of lens. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pradeep Dubey and you are watching DIMS Ophthalmology, where you learn everything just by imagination. Factors responsible for transparency of lens are broadly divided into two categories, anatomical and physiological. In anatomical factors, first is avascularity of lens. It plays a major role in transparency of lens. Second is semi-permeable nature of the lens capsule. Only selective metabolite, which is essential for lens metabolism, can pass through the capsule. Third anatomical factor responsible for lens transparency is the thin and single layer of antiepithelial cells. Lens has semi-permeable lens capsule, thin and transparent antiepithelial cells, but does not have posterior epithelium. Do you know why? Because during development, posterior epithelium of lens vesicle grows forward to fill the cavity and finally forms the nucleus of the lens. Fourth factor is the peculiar arrangement of lens fibers. In the center, lens fibers are uniformly arranged in a tightly packed manner. Hence, very little or no extracellular space present, which is very essential to maintain a uniform refractive index in the central part of the lens. Also, lens fibers present in the center are oldest and most mature, in which nucleus and other cell organelles are lost, due to which lens becomes completely transparent and there is no scattering of light at the center of lens. Not only lens fibers arrangement is important, but also the spatial arrangement of lens proteins within the lens fibers plays an important role in the transparency of lens. There are mainly three theories explaining lens protein arrangement. According to Torkel, lens transparency is due to uniform distribution and paracrystalline state of lens proteins. This theory is supported by Jones and Lerman. They hypothesize that lens transparency is due to proteins present in the lens have lamellar conformation rather than the helical structure. Third theory given by Bendek, he was not agreed for previous two theories and hypothesized that size of protein molecule is very small as compared to wavelength of light, so it does not affect refraction of light. Hence, precise arrangement of lens proteins has less importance for transparency of lens. Now the physiological factors responsible for transparency of lens. First is the pump mechanism of the lens. Sodium potassium ATPase pump regulates the electrolyte and water balance in the lens. Hence, it maintains low sodium level inside the lens, which creates a hypoosmotic intracellular environment, so fluid flows out of the lens along the osmotic gradient. Hence, by this way, sodium potassium ATPase pump maintains relative dehydration state of the lens, which is very essential condition required for transparency of lens. Second physiological factor is major intrinsic protein like aquaporin O. These are water channels present on the cell membrane and it also maintains the relative dehydration state of the lens. Third and last physiological factor for lens transparency is the antioxidative mechanism inside the lens. There are basically two types of antioxidants present in the lens, enzymatic and non-enzymatic. Enzymatic antioxidants are catalase, superoxide dismutase, glutathione peroxidase, and glutathione reductase, while non-enzymatic includes beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, and reduced glutathione. Out of all these antioxidants, reduced glutathione is the most important factor required to maintain lens protein in reduced state, which is prerequisite for integrity of the cell membrane pumps. Finally, the summary of the whole lecture. Factors responsible for lens transparency are anatomical and physiological. Anatomical factors are avascularity of lens, semi-permeable nature of lens capsule, thin and single layer of antiepithelial cells, peculiar arrangement of lens fibers, and characteristic arrangement of lens protein. Physiological factors are pump mechanism of lens, major intrinsic proteins and antioxidative mechanism inside the lens. This is all about the lens transparency. For PG exam notes, join our Telegram group. Link for the same given in description box. You can also comment what is the next video you are expecting from me. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. You can also watch our other popular videos on stumps conoid, color vision and OCT. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.